In this video, I'm going to be talking about why you can't see other people's Instagram stories when you are on Instagram. Okay, so I'm going to be covering the three main points as to why you cannot see other people's stories. And the first one is that you may have hidden that person's story. Now, what I mean by hiding their story is you can see all the stories at the top of my screen here. And let's just say I hid this third story by the moon call. So all I would do is hold down on the story and then you can see a mute button. If I tap on the mute button, it's going to give me an option to mute the story. So if I tap on mute story, you can see it now disappears. But where did it go? It kind of goes all the way to the end of your stories. And I've just scrolled all the way to the end of my stories and you can see there's the story by the moon call and you can see that it's all grayed out. So that is the first reason as to why you cannot see people's stories. The second thing is that they might have blocked you. So to find out if someone has blocked you, what you can do is search for their username. And if you, when you're searching for their username, come up with a no results found for that specific username, most likely they have blocked you. And that is why you won't be able to see their stories. The third reason is you might not be running the latest version of Instagram. So all you would need to do is go to the App Store on your phone. I'm on an Android device and then I would just search up Instagram. And as you can see, there is an update for me. So you want to go ahead and make sure that you update your app to the latest version. And then maybe even restart your phone and then launch Instagram and then see if you can see the people's stories again. So those are the reasons as to why you cannot see other people's Instagram stories. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.